Namaskar friends, welcome to E-Spirit World channel. You know how when you're with a group of amazing people, their energy can boost your mood, lift your spirits, and leave you feeling energized after the encounter? A sexual energy exchange or transfer follows the same principles because it's such a powerful and sacred act that requires us to be physically, emotionally, and spiritually vulnerable. You might not realize it, but every time you have sex with someone, there's a sexual exchange of energy between you. And this can affect you positively or negatively, depending on the person in question. I think it's important that we consider who we choose to share our energy with and be discerning, the same way we choose our friends. Not everyone should have the privilege of sharing your body, your spirit, or your energy. The act of sex requires a certain amount of physical energy from both partners. We give each other this energy in the moment to engage in this act together. But whether we are tuned into it or not, there's also a spiritual energy exchange occurring. Each person is giving the other some of their spiritual energy and receiving energy back. This is what sex is all about. At its heart, it's a spiritual, sacred act. The more spiritual you are, the more you will be able to feel the circle of energy created when you're having sex. During orgasm, you may even be able to experience a state of enlightenment due to the explosive power of the energy being exchanged. Be careful who you sleep with. The thing about casual sex is it's never truly causal, at least not on an energetic level. Having sex with someone creates an energy cord between the both of you. Yes, you have the freedom to choose any sexual partner you like, and you have full sovereignty over your body and what you do with it. That is your birthright. But that doesn't mean that sex with a stranger is void of meaning and repercussions. Even if you never see that person again, you will receive energy from them, and they will receive energy from you. And unless you cleanse your aura afterward, that energy will remain with you forever. What's worse is that when we have sex under the influence of alcohol or drugs, our protective bubble is weakened, which means we are even more susceptible to the other person's energy. A negative sexual energy exchange. From a physical point of view, a one-night stand with someone you just met can be fun and full of pleasure, but as you don't know the person well, you have no idea what kind of energy you're inviting in on a soul level. You might notice this in the way you feel the morning after. Irritation, anxiety, depletion, cloudy thoughts, aches and pains, depression, confusion, self-doubt, insecurity, and disconnection are all signs that you may have picked up some negative vibes from the person you slept with. Left uncleansed, this buildup of energy in your body can lead to various imbalances, health issues, and diseases. A positive sexual energy exchange. The opposite is a positive sexual energy exchange, which can happen with a stranger if you get lucky. Still, it's far more likely to occur in a healthy, meaningful relationship where you know each other on a deeper level. There's a foundation of trust and respect. Having sex with a loving, positive, joyful person will leave you feeling happy, uplifted, and full of life. When you're both vibrating positive energy, having sex creates an even sexual energy exchange where both your auric fields are strengthened with love and enlightenment. Manifesting with your sexual power. Because of the magnitude of the sexual energy transfer during sex, you can learn how to use the sexual energy that is created to manifest, the same way you use your own energy to manifest during a moon ritual or any other kind of spell work. Anyone can learn how to do this. However, what's crucial is that you have sex with someone you're energetically aligned with. This is essential if you want to make magic happen. To manifest with sexual energy, it's important to treat sex in a spiritual and sacred way. Cleanse yourself and your space before you begin. Set an intention of what you want to manifest, either separately or together. Your intention could be to do with what you want from the sexual experience, or it could be something completely different and unrelated to sex. Shift how you engage with each other and view the experience through a more spiritual lens. Take time to truly connect with each other on a deep level. If you're having sex while on your period, you can engage in a sacred blood ritual with your partner. Your manifestation powers are heightened during this time because of the sheer power of your blood. So friends, hope you liked this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you and goodbye.